Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So the length of the top is going to be 13 inches and the width is going to be 50 inches, and you're going to cut two, so 50, 13, 2 pieces. So I didn't get exactly 50, so I cut another piece and I'm going to join it together to get the 50 inches. So now I'm going to roll the elastic thread on the bobbin. You can't do this with the machine, so you have to do it manually, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, but you know. So guys, I made a lot of mistakes because this is my first time ever doing this, and I'm going to show you all the tricks and turns so you don't have to make the same mistakes. So as you can see, I turned the stitches up and it was 5, but I usually use 2.5 or 3, and that was a mess. Okay. It was a big mess. And another mistake that I did was I did not backstitch when I so the first line, and so as soon as I cut the thread, everything unraveled. So you're gonna see it here, and I kept tampering with the machine and everything was going so bad. So as soon as I cut it, everything came off. So this is one lesson, guys. Do not ever cut the thread without back stitching. It will come off. So after this mistake, I just turned it back and just did my regular stuffs, and it worked. But I think this setting only works for industrial machine, but for those little machines, I think you have to increase the stitches. So putting on the stripes, you can either put it on yourself, or if you have a dummy like I do, you can just put it on it and just pin it. So now for the bottom, as you can tell from the style, we're gonna use two full patterns, the dashiki design. So I'm gonna sew on that end, and I'm gonna sew on the other end. And here I'm gonna give you a picture of how the dress is supposed to be. So as you can see, that part needs to come together. So I'm gonna do a gathering stitch, as you can see now, so that it will be easier for me to sew it around. And I'm gonna use the same stitch I used for the for gathering for doing the sharing. So I'm gonna use the elastic and the same method, and I'm gonna use it to join those two pieces together. And that is it, guys.